Welcome back, everyone. So I thought we'd do a quick little update at Trader Joe's and then run over to Whole Foods so I can show you some of the new stuff and healthy things we have for the year. We are starting off right when I walked in. I found all these Lunar New Year really pretty flower arrangements, and they come with the little money envelope. Also found these flowers. I thought these were so cool. I've never seen them before, but they're called confetti, spelled with a K, and they do kind of look like confetti. They're very colorful, and I love all the different arrangements you can get for the colors of those. I really love these cute little bamboo. I want to say those are bamboo. I didn't really take a close look, but whatever they are, they're super cute. Lots of tulips. Just a really pretty assortment of flowers. It's getting me really excited for spring already. A couple of bulbs there. Really good prices, especially for the potted plants. Then they also have these teeny tiny avocados. They are so small and great to have, less calories, because these are high calorie. There you can see how big it is in the palm of my hand. And I found this garden patch drink. I feel like it's similar to like a V8. I never really drink those, and I don't drink this. Yeah, it's just a lot of calories. I don't want to drink it, but there you go, something you might like. Now these are fairly new. They came out, I don't know, several months ago, and I tried them. I like them. They're very crunchy, like really crunchy, which was good. Really pretty packaging. A good little healthy snack to have. And then these were really cool. They're the jumbo raisin medley. I love that they have the yellow raisins in there. This was the display that I found. It's kind of, I've seen this on display a few times, but it's the jasmine rice, the sauce, and then the jackfruit. If you haven't had jackfruit, it's basically something you could make it like a pulled pork alternative, way less calories, and really good. I think it's pretty good. This is something I'm super excited about. I have been buying this and eating it like a crazy person. It's a full kit. It comes with everything you need. I don't put too much dressing, add chicken, and it's a perfect lunch. There's actually, when I started to look around, I didn't realize how many different types of salad kits there were. I mean, and saute kits, obviously, but there's a few I definitely want to give a try out. The sesame chopped salad kit is on my list to try. And yeah, I was overwhelmed with how many there were. This Mediterranean one I've had before, it's not new. That one's really, really good. I wanted to try this one as well. I'm not a big Southwestern chopped salad fan, but I will give it a try. This one looks really good too. But yeah, so you can see there's really no excuse not to eat as healthy as you can when you could come into here. Also, you could just add on, apple, pear, anything like that. These pears are delicious. I have never heard of this pomelo. Maybe I said that wrong. I don't know. But it's like a less acidic kind of grapefruit. I wanted to show you how big this is. Look at how giant that is in my hand. I can't really eat grapefruit, so I don't know. These are the biggest Honeycrisp apples. Honeycrisp are my favorite apples. They're just between tart and sweet, but I just wanted to show you how giant those were. These are some new face wipes, face and body wipes. I bought these and I'm obsessed. I should have bought more. Love them. I guess this says it's new. I haven't seen this before and I don't normally eat that. Same thing with the mints or Vela mints. Haven't seen those before. Those are not new, but those taste kind of like toffee. They're very light cookies. A really good thing to try if you like toffee. Not my cup of tea either, but like a dark chocolate ginger cookie. And then I thought these were really cool. I like that they have organic cacao and peanut powder, so you can add those to like a smoothie or any kind of a recipe. Let's say you were making muffins. This is a new seasoning that came out about a month ago or less. This is really good over eggs or rice. It's a Japanese seasoning. I always get this on my poke bowls as well, so there was only one left. Definitely something to look out for. Then we came over here to the dreaded bakery section. This is where problems arise for me, especially those mini cupcakes. The donuts over here, though. Oh no. It took everything in my willpower not to purchase these, because I'm trying to just, January is the time of year where you try to clean up your diet a little bit, but they're glazed sour cream donuts. Oh, can you imagine how good those are? If anybody tries those, let me know how they are. You have the orange spice cake, the good pancake bread. Oh, that stuff is just amazing. We have the brookie, the babka. That stuff is deadly. And by deadly, I mean it'll kill your diet. It is just that good. I can't stop myself. So I took a little walk over to the freezer section. I always like to have some of these in my freezer because let's just say you are craving like a little bit of mac and cheese. You can have, 1 or 2 of those. They're more like appetizers and they come in smaller portions. I did want to show these party-sized meatballs, something to always keep in the freezer. Add a little sauce to them and boom, you have like a quick dinner. Always good to have. I haven't seen these before, and I'm afraid to butcher that word, but we'll say rugula. It just looks like a pastry with cinnamon filling. If anybody's tried these, let me know how they are. Also decided to treat ourselves tonight. It comes with 2 of these, but we love these lava cakes and, YOLO. Found this brioche French toast. This looks fantastic. Must be much more thicker than the French toast I've had before. Now, I always want to point these out. These are something I keep my freezer well stocked with. The Reduced Guilt mac and cheese. So good. I think it's about 8 Weight Watchers points if you're counting. And another gnocchi. We are in the land of gnocchi. It looks like cauliflower's cousin kale has joined the party, so I'm going to get these and try them. I'll let you know what I think of them. If you're a fan of chilaquiles, I probably said that wrong too, I just found this in the freezer section. And some dark russet potatoes. I hear that these taste kind of like the burnt potato chip if you're a fan of those. They look really good. I saw these as well. I don't know if these are new, but they look really good. I think the white truffle would be something to try. Came over to the juice section and I found this new coconut smoothie. I'm not a big fan of coconut water or anything like that. I mean, I'll have it mixed with some fruit juice, but this is pretty high calorie and, I don't know, not my thing. They also had the coconut water. So that kind of wrapped it up over in Trader Joe's, and now this is the footage I'm going to show you is from a couple days prior. You'll notice because my nails are a different color. But I went to Whole Foods and grabbed some stuff there that they either don't have at Trader Joe's or just, I really like to shop at Whole Foods. So these are some things that in case you're going, you can try. I always grab a spaghetti squash. They never fail to have spaghetti squash here at Whole Foods. Really good pasta replacement, something to have. Takes a little getting used to. They had a big display of these Satsuma, I hope I said that right, tangerines. Kind of like the sumo tangerines that we get at Trader Joe's, but these are so great. Gotta love the Prime member deals. And I always get some lemons. Then I wanted to point out these are the opal apples. You can get these at Trader Joe's as well, but these are really good apples too. They're my second favorite after the Honeycrisp apples. I think these are a bit sweeter, to be honest. Another thing that I like a little bit better here than at Trader Joe's is the fruit, like the pre-cut fruit assortment. They tend to have just a better assortment and they come in different size varieties. So it's just something quick to grab and go. You kind of don't have an excuse not to eat healthy when you have this good fresh cut fruit assortment. I love the produce section there. It's always so well organized and well stocked here at Whole Foods. One of my favorite places, like if you can't find something 9 times out of 10, Whole Foods will usually always have it, and they have it in individual things to purchase. I love their green section. However, today, the one day that I came, they did not have the dino kale, or I don't know how to say it. It starts with an L, but that's my favorite kale to use. I always have it in the fridge, and I was really sad. I like that they had a cool sale. They had a sale for blackberries, 2 for $5, so I grabbed those. And this was kind of a splurge because this was $9. I really feel like I shouldn't have done this, but once I ate these cherries, wow, it was worth the money. It really was. Now, these are drinks that I have raved about on Instagram. I just found them recently, but these are called Olipop. They have 3 or 4 flavors right now. They usually sell 3 of them in Whole Foods. The reason I like these so much is because they only have 3 grams of sugar. They have probiotics, fiber in them, and they're only around, I think, 30 calories, but they're all natural. They almost sound too good to be true. The strawberry vanilla is my favorite. Give them a try. Let me know what you think, but I drink one of these every single day. And something I wanted to point out that I really like that I wish we had at Trader Joe's was like rotisserie chickens. The organic ones are obviously more expensive, but I get these and I put them in a chicken noodle soup or just a chicken vegetable soup. These chickens are really delicious actually, and I highly recommend if you want a quick dinner, grab those and some vegetables. I found these protein chips. I haven't given them a try yet, but they looked really good, and considering how low calorie they are and high protein and a delicious flavor, I mean, might be something to try. I think when I scanned them on the Weight Watchers app, if you are a user of that, I think they were like 3 points, not so bad. These are another crunchy snack that I love to get that they only have at Whole Foods that I've found. I love the coconut one. It's a very subtle coconut flavor, but wow, these are, oh, they are so good. And if you haven't tried these before, Halo Top is a really good ice cream alternative. It does take a little getting used to, but the chocolate is my absolute favorite, followed by strawberry. In the beginning, they only had like chocolate, strawberry, and I think it was lemon. Yeah, this is just a really good alternative to ice cream, and look at all the variety of flavors they have now. You really can't go wrong. If you try it, let me know what you think. And here's my favorite thing to put into coffee now. I do not like almond milk. None of those things are delicious to me. If I don't use fat-free half and half, I use oat milk. It is delicious. Oatly is the best, and then this Califia, that brand is amazing too. I usually get the Califia because it's a little bit cheaper than Oatly, but so delicious. And something I wanted to point out to add to your vegetables or your chicken, it tastes like soy sauce, but it is liquid aminos. Amazing. Good thing to use. If you're watching your sodium, I would definitely go towards the coconut aminos, but it helps. If you don't know about what aminos are, they are the branch chain amino acids that make a complete protein. So good thing to try. And then this is another thing that I love to get is the right rice. It is made purely from vegetables, so it is so much healthier for you than regular rice. I think I did a quick thing in a second here so you can kind of see the nutrition facts, but really delicious. Good for you, quick to eat, and a lot more protein. This is our favorite sauce in the entire world. Rayo's, it is the best. Right now, at this time, they had a sale for the giant jar, which I used for 2 days. I made pasta and pizza out of this, but I just wanted to kind of point out the ingredients. If you see, it's literally just tomatoes, olive oil, salt, garlic, oregano. You know what I mean? Like, really clean and delicious, and it does taste amazing. If you are a fan of pasta, it does take a little getting used to. I recommend the shells, but this Banza pasta, we love it. Tons more protein. It's made purely from chickpeas. You do need to make sure when you're using this to rinse it. You do have to kind of like skim some film that you get while you're boiling it, but wow, it's amazing. Gluten-free. I mean, just the best option ever. I can't rave enough about how much I love Banza pasta. So that wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick little trip to the store, and if you like this, let me know, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment.